Modern business loans are tailored to meet the evolving needs of entrepreneurs and enterprises, offering features like flexible tenures and lower interest rates to ensure financial convenience and affordability. Flexible tenures. Loan repayment tenures can range from a few months to several years, catering to businesses with diverse financial cycles. Short-term loans are ideal for immediate capital needs, while long-term loans support larger investments with manageable monthly repayments. Flexibility in tenure selection ensures businesses can align repayment schedules with their cash flow. Lower interest rates. Modern business loans often feature competitive interest rates, reducing the overall cost of borrowing. Businesses with good credit scores or stable financial histories can access even better rates, maximizing savings. Lower interest rates make it easier to reinvest savings into core operations or expansion. Additional benefits. Quick approval processes and minimal paperwork ensure timely access to funds. Loan amounts can be customized based on the specific requirements of the business. Many lenders provide tailored loan solutions for various industries, making funds more accessible and relevant. SMFG India Credit offers business loans designed to empower growth and financial stability. With customized repayment options, attractive interest rates, and a focus on customer convenience, these loans are an ideal choice for modern businesses. Take control of your business's financial future today. Apply for a business loan with SMFG India Credit. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.